Hello, everybody. Welcome to page 35. We are going to be talking about too many and too much and not enough. This is some grammar stuff, so let's complete the sentences with much, many, and enough, and then complete the rule. Too much 的思是太多 ，too many 的思是太多 ，enough 的思是足够，还有 not enough 的思是不足够，不够。He always cooks two 什么 things. 他一直煮太多东西 Things 是可数的。Things 是可数的，所以是 many. Number 2. There's too 什么 salt in the spaghetti. Salt is uncountable, so we say much. All right? Too many is for countable things. Too much is for uncountable things. There's not 什么 tomato sauce on it. 没有足够 tomato sauce on it. There is not enough tomato sauce on it. There aren't 什么 vegetables in the soup. There aren't enough. Enough 的意思是足够，没有足够 there aren't enough vegetables in the soup. There's not enough sugar in my coffee. 没有足够糖在我的咖啡里。Right? So what do we use with countable nouns? We use many. Too many. Use too many with countable nouns and too much with uncountable nouns. Use not enough with both countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, 所以不管是 countable 还是 uncountable, 你还是可以用 enough 吧。Countable, uncountable, countable, and uncountable. Too many, too much, not enough. Easy. Easy as pie. So let's practice. Stop the video, do it yourself, come back for the answers. There are 什么 mushrooms on this pizza. 现在你们应该很熟悉这些。There are too many. There are too many because mushrooms are countable. I hate them. 我恨他们。There's 什么 salt in this soup. I can't eat it. Uncountable. There is too much salt in this soup. I can't eat it. There is 什么 sugar in my coffee. Can I have some more? There's too much sugar. Can I have some more? I said there is not enough sugar. There is not enough sugar. 没有足够糖在我的咖啡里，我可以再有一点吧，再给我一点吧。There are 什么 chairs. Can you stand? 你可以站，有太多椅子，你可以站吗？还是没有足够椅子，你可以站吗？没有足够。They are not enough chairs. Can you stand? There are 什么 cars on the road. It's dangerous to ride my bike. 没有足够车在路上，骑单车是很危险。No. 有太多 cars 在路上，太危险，骑单车。We've got too much homework tonight. I want to watch TV. Wah, wah, wah. All right, now we're going to do to plus adjective. 太什么？太形容词，太辣，不够辣。All right, 所以之前是太never mind. Use the example sentences to circle the correct options in the rule. All right. His vegetable soup is always too spicy. This pizza is not hot enough. Rule. We use to plus an adjective to say that something is more than what we like. 这是太什么的。 we use not 加 adjective 加 enough to say that something is less than we want or like. 这些的意思是，如果你要说有的比我想要的还要多，就是用 to 这个。没有比我想要那么多，我们说 not 什么 enough， 没有足够 spicy， 没有足够热 ，not 热 enough. All right, let's complete the sentences. The test is too easy. It's not hard enough. 这个考试太简单，它不足够难。真的有一个学生会这样说吗？这个老师 This test is not hard enough. Give me a harder test. Number 1. The film isn't exciting enough. 它不足够令人兴奋。It's too boring. The film is too boring. 它太无聊了。The t-shirt is too expensive. 它不足够便宜。It's not cheap enough. It's not warm enough today. It's too. 我们在这里把 enough 的句子变成 too 的句子，然后我们把 too 的句子变成 enough 的句子吧。It's not warm enough today. It's too cold. For your bike's too small for me. It's not big enough. 它不足够大。His car is not fast enough. 那怎么可以用 too 来表达同一个意思？ It's too slow. Super duper Dino. Let's go back up here to number 5. Complete with not enough or too. My dad always says there's 什么 rain in the UK in summer, and that it's 什么 hot 什么. Okay? 我的爸爸一直说有太多雨在英国在夏天的时候，而且它不足够热。There's too much rain in the UK in summer, and it is not hot enough. He's right. And I feel that it's boring to spend holidays here. 他是对的，而且我感觉我们的度假在这里是太无聊了 too 无聊 So I'm happy that we usually go to the south of Italy for our holidays. 所以我很开心我们平常假期的时候去意大利的南部。There are kilometers of beaches, and so there are never many tourists. 有好多公里的沙滩，所以从来没有太多 too many 观光客人。I love the food there. That's why I often eat 太多. That's why I often eat too much. Cool. 我觉得这个你们可以自己做 workbook 练习词里的作业，因为这个我觉得你们会觉得是有点简单吧。Let's talk about a few more vocabulary words. These are adjectives to talk about food. 描述食物的形容词。Roast. Roast 的意思是烤的。Boiled 的意思是在汤水煮的。Grilled 的意思是烧烤的。而且 fried 的意思是炸的。炸鸡就是 fried chicken. So let's take a look. Are these fish roast, boiled, grilled, or fried? I think they are grilled. I think these potatoes are really easy to see too. They are 在水里煮的 boiled. All right. Now we only have two. Roast, 烤的, fried, 炸的. Okay. 烤箱里才可以 roast 东西,所以 these potatoes are roast potatoes. And fried. Fried 的意思是炸的, 所以 these are fried. These fish are fried. Super. Let's put the words in the list in order from very good to very bad. Nice. Nice 的意思是挺好或者善良。Horrible. Horrible 的意思是非常不好。Delicious 太好吃了。And a bit boring 有一点点无聊。Which word is very good? And which word is very bad? 我们先从 very good 开始吧。Very good. Which one is very good? I think, okay, horrible is not good. Boring is not good. Nice is good. Delicious is good. 但是 delicious 是更强的一个单词。Delicious 的意思是很 good. So it gets 4 stars. Now, what do you think would get 3 stars? I think nice would get 3 stars. Nice gets 3 stars. And then, now, what is 2 stars? 2个星星是 horrible 太惨了 or a bit boring 有点无聊. A bit boring gets 2 stars. It's not very good. And horrible, 其实 horrible shouldn't get any stars, but we'll still give it 1. All right. Cool. Let's ask you some questions. Actually, no, let's not do that. I'm going to ask you some questions about these, and you try to answer, okay? 第一个问题. How do you prefer to cook fish? 你怎么样喜欢煮你的鱼? Do you prefer roast, boiled, grilled, or fried? 你可以告诉我，比如说, I prefer grilled fish, but I don't like roast fish. All right, 你随便说。下一个问题是, How do you prefer to cook your potatoes? 你喜欢怎么样的煮你的土豆吧? You might say, I prefer to fry my potatoes. I prefer fried potatoes. Or, I prefer boiled potatoes. Practice talking about these cooking methods on your own. 你尝试自己找出来很多句子来表达你喜欢用什么办法来煮你最喜欢吃的食物吧。当然，如果你想要，你可以发给我你的声音，这不是一个真正的作业，但是你还是可以做吧，如果你想要的话。All right, let's take a look at some other words, some other vocabulary words. Sweet. What does sweet mean? 看这些单词，然后写下你觉得它们的意思是什么，然后过来我就告诉你它的答案。Sweet 的意思是很甜. Can you think of a sweet food? I can. Chocolate is sweet. Strawberries are sweet. Let's move on to this word. Spicy. Spicy means la. Peppers are spicy. Some chili con carne is spicy. Savory. Savory 的意思是很好吃，但是不是 sweet 的，是有一点咸，不是太咸，这是一个表达有咸有很好吃的东西的。Savory 的意思是有咸有很好吃的。Popcorn is savory. Meat is savory. Fresh. 新鲜 is fresh. What food is fresh now? I think cucumbers and fresh vegetables are fresh. When I eat fresh things, they make me feel oh so yummy. Yummy in my tummy. Tasty. Tasty 的意思是很好吃。I think that meat is tasty, and I think that hamburgers are tasty, and pizza is tasty. I love tasty food. I love yummy food. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy in my tummy. 什么是 tasty? 什么也是 yummy 的。因为 yummy 的意思是好吃。Fatty 有很多肥肉在里面，肥肉就是 fatty. I don't like fatty meat. I like lean meat. Lean meat 是没有很多肥油的油。Do you like fatty meat? Some people do. Some people don't. Disgusting. 恶心. Do you know what food I think is disgusting? Chicken feet is disgusting. Salty. 太咸就是 salty. Savory 的意思是有食盐在里面，就是咸的，但是不是太咸的，是很好吃的。Salty 的意思是有点太咸吧，你放了太多盐。Salty. All right, that's going to be it for today's class. See you next time.